This video is about downloading a game, setting the correct joystick and adding the game to the start screen or share it with friends. This is Veggies vs Undead, a clone of Plants vs Zombies for the C64. It's available for free on itch.io. We now download Veggies vs Undead. Okay, now let's start 8-Bit Wonders and import the download. We run the C64 emulation and open the downloaded file. A PRG file is a program that will be run immediately. Other files ending with D64 or T64 can contain more programs. See the video about typing in the basic program to learn more. We have to set the correct joystick. Usually port 1 is used by old games, newer games use port 2. The extra ports are barely used. Port 2 is fine for us since this is a modern game. Additional configuration is possible but the defaults are fine for now. We wanted to share the current save state, so open the menu and choose Save State. We now will export the current state and share it. Let's enter a name. We have to go back in time so we'll see the full intro when starting the game. Let's paste the game's URL and we want the device to turn into landscape mode, so it's more convenient to use the virtual joystick. Joystick 2 is required and that's all. We can share the game. For the moment we don't want to share it, but play the game on this device, so let's share it to our own download folder. Of course we could also have sent it to someone else via messenger or mail. Another possibility is to save it on cloud storage and pick it up with another device. Okay, we're done, so let's finish the current emulation and check if sharing worked. Here's the file we created. Let's open it. Yes, seems to have worked. Now let's check the main activity. Here it is and we tap on the tile to start it. So let's start the game with the fire button. Okay, that worked, so our configuration is fine. If you know Plants vs Zombies, you'll know what to do. If not, the beginning of the game is a good tutorial and you will have a lot of fun. And so will your friends you share the game with. Please be kind and tell them who the creator of the game is, and where you got it from. Thanks for watching.